So, these birds want to eat. You guys want to eat? I'm coming. Look at the snow. Woo. It's a lot of snow, folks. Up to the bird bath. Okay. Poor little guys. Bird just got to eat, you know. Wait a minute, chickadees. Can you guys hear them over there? We also have the ones that eat on the ground. This is the only bird feeder that we've had where the squirrels can't. I mean, they'll come in here and sit here and try to eat all of them. You know, it takes them a long time. They just can't get them out like they can there. They'll be right inside there. Anyway, there you go, birdies. Let me back up and see if I can see them coming there before I even leave. Come on. Come on. Chickadee. Chickadee. Come on. There you go. Chickadee. Chickadee. Good. I wonder if you guys can hear that, the chickadees. Usually we have a lot of blue jays out here. Hopefully they didn't freeze to death. There was food this morning when I left. Well, this afternoon when I left. Cardinals come around every now and then too. He'll bring his wife with him. You can see the light colors. Female. The same orange beak. Anyway.